The mindset you need is not built on speed, perfection, or applause. It is built quietly, slowly, and painfully within you, during the moments when you question everything about yourself. The truth is, life is not asking you to be flawless. It is asking you to stay when things get hard. You don't become powerful by winning easily. You become powerful by surviving what was designed to destroy you. And the mindset you need begins with understanding one simple truth. Your life is not supposed to look perfect right now. It is supposed to teach you. Every disappointment is a lesson in disguise. Every delay is a message. Every setback is the universe's way of shaping you into someone who can carry more strength, more clarity, and more purpose than you ever imagined. When you look around and see people moving ahead faster than you, don't let panic take over your heart. Their timing is not your timing. Their chapter is not your chapter. Some people rise early, and some people rise when the time is right. You are not late. You are becoming. And this becoming phase is the most important period of your life. This is where your mindset is being built. A mindset that understands patience. A mindset that respects discipline. A mindset that knows resilience is not about never breaking. It's about breaking, learning, and still choosing to rise. You need a mindset that doesn't chase validation, because validation has never built anyone's destiny. Approval from others is a temporary fuel. Belief in yourself is a lifetime engine. When you strengthen your mind, the world has no other choice but to respect you. But if you spend your life begging for acceptance, you will lose every part of yourself trying to fit in. The mindset you need is this. Stop focusing on who left, what went wrong, and how far you still have to go. Shift your attention to what you're building, who you're becoming, and how strong you've become just by surviving what you thought would end you. You don't need motivation that lasts a day. You need purpose that lasts a lifetime. And purpose comes from pain, from failure, from losses, and from the courage to live through all of it. That courage is already inside you. You just haven't seen its full power yet. The mindset you need requires you to walk away from fear, not by pretending it doesn't exist, but by refusing to let it control you. Fear will always whisper that you are not ready, not talented, not capable. But fear has never seen your future. Fear only knows your past. And it keeps trying to convince you that your future will look exactly like the things that broke you before. That is a lie. You are not the same person you were last year, or last month, or even yesterday. You have learned, grown, suffered, and evolved quietly. The world may not see your internal growth yet, but it will. Every strong person was once a fragile person who refused to give up. The mindset you need is the mindset of someone who chooses growth over comfort. Comfort will keep you safe, but it will never change your life. Growth hurts at first, feels uncomfortable, challenges your old habits, and exposes your fears. Yet it is the only path that leads to a different version of you. You must abandon the belief that everything has to feel easy. Nothing worth having grows in ease. Diamonds form under pressure. Muscles grow under tension. Greatness appears in discomfort. And you, whether you see it or not, are currently standing in the uncomfortable stretch of your own transformation. Stop avoiding it. Lean into it. Let it shape you. You need a mindset that is not scared of starting small. Every great journey begins with a tiny step. Every master was once a beginner. Every confident person once doubted themselves. There is nothing wrong with small beginnings. What's wrong is staying small because you fear judgment. People will always talk. Whether you succeed or fail, whether you rise or fall, they will have something to say. So free yourself from the fear of opinions. Build quietly. Work silently. Let your results make the noise. The mindset you need trusts the process even when the process is slow. It celebrates small wins. It believes that consistency beats talent when talent stops trying. And most importantly, it understands that self-control over your thoughts, your habits, your emotions is the highest form of power. When your mind becomes disciplined, nothing in this world can distract you from the life you are trying to build. The mindset you need now is the mindset of execution, not wishing, not hoping, not planning endlessly, but doing. You can read every book, watch every motivational video, listen to every podcast, but nothing will change if you do not take action. Action is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. And the truth is, most people are not stuck because they lack ideas. They are stuck because they lack discipline. Discipline is the muscle of your mind. The more you train it, the stronger you become. And once discipline becomes a part of your identity, success becomes a natural outcome. But execution requires courage. The courage to get uncomfortable, to make mistakes, to face rejection, and to keep going even when progress feels invisible. You must understand this deeply. Real growth is silent. You won't see big results immediately, but every day you show up, you are breaking the old version of you and giving birth to the new one. That consistency is your superpower. That determination is your advantage. The mindset you need believes in long-term victory, not instant gratification. It knows that real success is not about how fast you achieve something, but how long you can maintain your hunger. You need a mindset that forgives yourself, because guilt kills more dreams than failure ever will. You need a mindset that doesn't get distracted by shortcuts, because shortcuts never last. You need a mindset that remembers who you were before the world hurt you, doubted you, or judged you. You were born with potential. You were born with the ability to rise, and that ability is still inside you, waiting to be unleashed. When you choose growth, discipline, resilience, and consistency, there is no force strong enough to stop you. Not your past, not your fears, not your mistakes. The mindset you need is the mindset that says, I might be slow, but I'm not stopping. I might be tired, but I am not quitting. I might be doubted, but I am not done. This is how unstoppable people are built. Not through magic, not through luck, but through relentless daily decisions to keep going. And if you choose this mindset today, your life will not stay the same. It will rise. You will rise. And the world will eventually see what you already know deep inside. You were meant for more.